met me was waiting at the bottom of a glass, and just as soon as I walked in, he said, "Come on over, old buddy, I'm buying." Left it just like old times begin. And I fell off the honky-tonk wagon, and I hit every bar on the way down. I left a trail of empty beer cans, bottles, and bad decisions all over town. Well, I'm way too good for way too long, so I got my getting way too far gone. I landed in the middle of what the hell happened when I fell off the honky-tonk wagon.
Sounds pretty good. I think they can do a little bit better.
I know they got better in them. I've heard them get drunk.
Let me hear y'all out there on a Friday at Buckling Boots, y'all.
Oh, shit!
And he's screaming like, put your drinks up high. Tell that DJ one more time. I need a party song. What's your feeling when you get to December? Just like you gave me, baby, don't you remember? You didn't want me when I needed you back. Gave you more than a shirt off my back. I found your cigarettes, your lighter in your left pocket. Told me that you quit it, but you never stopped it. Now I work better than you ever did, so you can't have it. You leather jacket.
And your dog. Well, that's front porch logic, y'all. Common sense is just genius and overalls. Don't make nothing harder than it has to be. Keep it simple like we keep it in the country. Front porch logic is the way you live, and if it's easy when you're doing it right. And if you get it, then you got it. And that's back home front porch logic.